Athens under siege, protesters storm diplomatic zone as Greece out of the massacre, banners fly. The streets of Athens have turned into a boiling cauldron of defiance as over 1,300 protesters marched on the US and Israeli embassies this Sunday. Chanting, "Greece out of the massacre," demonstrators slammed the joint military strikes on Iran as a vile imperialist intervention that threatens global peace. The march began at Freedom Park before surging toward the US Embassy, which was heavily cordoned off by rows of blue police buses. The Greek Communist Party, KKE, and labor unions led the charge, holding massive banners that demanded the immediate closure of the strategic Souda naval base on Crete. Tensions reached a fever pitch as protesters waved Iranian flags and portraits of Qasem Soleimani, warning that Greece's involvement could turn the nation into a target. Authorities have already tightened security at military installations across the country, fearing that the regional firestorm is about to spill onto European soil. On the island of Crete, a giant banner was unfurled at the old Venetian port of Hania, calling for an end to foreign military operations in the Mediterranean. The arrival of the US Gerald R. Ford at Souda Bay has acted as a lightning rod for anger, with locals spelling out "killers" in massive placards across the harbor. Organizers from the All Workers Militant Front, PUM, have vowed that the rallies will continue until the Greek government officially distances itself from the coalition. Demonstrators in Heraklion and Rethymno joined the chorus, expressing deep-seated fears that the presence of US aircraft carriers makes Crete a base of death. As the 40-day mourning period for Khamenei begins, the anti-war sentiment is sweeping through Greece like a tidal wave of public fury. With the world watching, the protesters in Athens have made one thing clear: they will not stay silent while the Middle East burns in a new total war. The blockade of the diplomatic district remains in effect as riot police remain on high alert for potential clashes late into Sunday night. Expatriates and tourists have been advised to avoid downtown Athens as the city braces for another round of massive anti-imperialist demonstrations tomorrow. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.